Hello everyone, this is Zach here from TradeBSA. So today this video here, I'd like to share with you one of the stocks that potentially having a change of trend is coming, and we want to look into the volume based on daily and weekly chart and see whether there's any good opportunity for us to look for the trades or not. Okay, now in front of you right now is Can 1, and we are looking to daily chart right now, and as you'll see, this chart actually having a strong downtrend. Okay, this is from the top here back to 2021 October to the bottoms. Okay, this is on around 40% losses. Okay, now few of the things that again as a VSA trader we want to take notes in this kind of chart and pattern is that when the stock having a very strong uptrend from this first green pentagon to the top, I think it hits around like 60 over percent. Okay, 60%, right? So we got a very good healthy pullback over here. Okay, but this is the one that you always want to pay attention to take notes. Whenever a stocks break out climatically, especially with wide spread candle and high volume, right, you always want to tend to be careful. Now, this is what we call the buying climax. Now, not only that, what happened next day is also very, very important. Okay, so we got uptrust over here, serve as resistance, and we got another uptrust over here. And subsequently, confirmation of red pentagon and market stages also turning to red. Now, this is a few signs to tell us that likely, the big downtrend, the distributions is coming. Okay, now back to here. Okay, of course, some of the thing is very interesting. Now we got 2 bar, or probably I can say 3 bar. Okay, 3 bar down bar with increasing volume. Okay, which is nice. Whenever we want to see a stop in the trend, we always want to see high to climatic volume. So for example, here we got one high volume over here, but there's no immediate confirmation on sound strength. But here seems like we do have some sort of like sound strength. And of course, these 2 days, including today and yesterday, it turns to green pentagon. It comes with some increasing volume. Okay, so that's why I think likely price may hold sideways for a while from here, right? So if you look into weekly chart overall, so weekly chart actually it haven't really show this type of climatic volume. Again, we want to compare the candles with previous candle to check whether this is high volume, climatic volume. Okay, now for me this is climatic volume that actually able to change certain trend. Okay, so for example here previously been sideways and there's some volume coming up. Okay, so this is the volume that at least you want to see. But if you look into here, seems that they are still slightly below, okay, compared to those candles that are able to change the trend, okay, with high volume. So of course I think short term wise we're able to maybe we got some things that opportunities. Okay, so if I look into here, we got a good gap. Okay, now this is the first gap down. Okay, so this is the one that actually serve as a resistance. Now the recent gap up is very nice as well, so it can serve as support. So this is the area that we want to look for a good opportunity for look for trade setups. Okay, now this is kind of similar, like I think MPHB. Okay, I didn't follow lately because of the high volume, but if you watch closely over here, they actually also having like a reaccumulation. Okay, the market stages is different. Okay, but they got a shakeout as well. Now if you look into here, this is the one that I'm referring to. It got a gap as support. Hopefully it will hold well, but I think unlikely because of the seller spot. Okay, so we also want to be careful. Is there any further weaknesses or not, usually in this area? So best is that I want to look for a support area, sign of strength, like for example NS, then you have a chance to hit resistance. Okay, now hopefully we're able to see this, okay, in Cam 1 soon. Okay, if let's say you're able to make a retest back to support with couple of sound strength, NS is the best. Probably we want to look into it again. Okay, so if you like this video over here, make sure you click likes, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.